All right, all right, all right. We are live. Coming back at ya. And we are doing break number 9 of the certified 2021 NFL football. This will be 3 hobby boxes from a case. And looking forward to it. So, on a little bit early, just to shoot the breeze. It'll just be me. This evening, TJ is hanging with his homies, hanging with the crew. So, hey, what's up, Javier? No, we are good this evening. Everybody's in it to win it. We are good to go. Thank you very much for checking. But ready to rock and roll, kids. So once 10:30 hits, we'll do the starting lineup. And then we'll just kind of jump on in. Hopefully everybody enjoyed their college football today. I know I'm an Iowa Hawkeye fan, so today was a good day for me. Put the smackdown on Iowa State, so that was exciting. But I am definitely liking these cards. So this is our second case of certified. And definitely get back at us tomorrow, where tomorrow will be the finale. And I've been doing some research on these, and the price has been going up and up and up. So the values must be as well. So get on it while you can. I was looking to buy another case, and I can't find one. So do a little deeper searching. But tomorrow we'll be at it again with the final 3 boxes of case number 2. So like I say, TJ's not here tonight, so I got my microphone on. Since it's just me, you won't need to hear the background and stuff. But just waiting for 10:30 to hit, and then we gonna rock and roll. So definitely jump into the comments, guys. Let me know what teams you've got, what players you got to have, what players you love, what players you collect, what players you use, fancy cases on, stuff like that. I grade cards myself, so right now we've got a 7-card order out with SGC. So, stuff like that. But anyways, let's see here. S1030. So, give me just a moment here. (10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time). All right. So let's get Mike. All right. Hey, what's up, Matt? You did? Nice. Plates and patches? Oh, that's 2020, isn't it? Okay, cool. Thanks, Mike. All right. So let's do that starting lineup. Where are we at here? Break number 9. Hey, what's up, Chef? I like plates and patches. Those patches are sweet. I got a printing plate one time too, out of a different kind of set. And I don't know, those are pretty cool too. But I never got into plates and patches. Nice Tua hit though, Matt. All right, I'm gonna try to move that. There we go. Okay. So Rick Cook in the house. What's a happening? Let me read this starting lineup real quick. Let's see here. Where are we at? All right. So, Randy Zimpher, welcome back. Randy's got the Bills Mafia. He's got them for the rest of the case. And Jeremy Thompson has the Vikings. So those two guys contacted me outside of the auctions. Just bust me a message on Facebook. And just ask me, whatever teams you're wanting, I can bust you the price. And then you don't have to bid against people if you would like. So that's what those guys did. So that's why you didn't see those teams available. If anybody wants to do that, let me know. But we also got Mike Truman has the Browns as well. Then we got Charles Tagliavini. You've got the Colts, Giants, and Eagles. Ron Marriott, you've got the Titans and Washington. Raid Pesovich, you've got the Bucks. Tyler McLean, the Hawks. Nixon Vang, you've got the Niners. Kyle Bowers has the Steelers. Matthew Gomez, Jets. Bradley Chadges has the Saints. That's a tongue twister. Lindsey Behel has the Pats. Logan Stone King has the Fans. Ron Marriott has the Rams. Christian Rabinales has the Chargers. Javier Aguilar, there he is! Javier! Welcome back. Javier is a regular. I believe he's been on every break of the Certified. So welcome back. He's got the Raiders. Raid Pesovich also has the Chiefs. And that could be Rade. I don't know. I'm going to say Raid, though. Matthew Gomez has the Jaguars. Christian Rabinales has the Texans. Michael McClellan, Packers. James Biska, Lions. William McIntosh, Broncos. Ryan Pease, Cowboys. Matthew Hunt, Bengals. Jesse Sasso, Bears. Joshua Cottrell, Panthers. Benjamin Haddon, there he is. Welcome back, Ben. Got the Ravens. One more again. That must be your squad. Ryan Thorpe, Falcons. And Jose Estrella, Cardinals. All right. So like I say, guys, it's just going to be me. Tonight, TJ's hanging with the crew. He was hanging out with his buddies, watching the games today and stuff, so. So looking forward to this one. Give me just a moment here. I'm going to get these gloves on for surgery, and we're going to get in and rock and roll. All right. All right, Mike Truman, I got that payment. So payment received. Thank you very much. Hey, what's up, Sean? Yeah, whoever had the Browns did not pay. So I went ahead and canceled that, and Mike picked them up, so. Yeah, nope. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. But no, I did not get that on time, so. That's how that goes with live stuff. And I know Mike's a big Browns fan anyway, so I messaged him. I was like, oh, they're currently unpaid. So yeah, we gave you till 10:30 and it wasn't paid, so then I canceled it. So you're not out any money, but you won't be getting the Browns. So, all right, let's jump on in, kids. So I'm going to put these other 2 boxes to the side. And let's rock and roll. All right. Here we go. And TJ showed me the ways with the displaying the actual hobby box. So probably a good idea, right? All right, pack number 1. Let's jump on in. All right, Packers got a Devontae Adams. Oh, mirror blue out of 75. Elijah Vera Tucker for the Jets. 17 out of 75. That's cool, mirror blue for the Jets. Gold team, Stiff Arm Henry, A.J. Brown, and Jalen Hurts. Katie Porter. Now, without TJ here, I won't have a sorting table action behind me, so I'm just going to leave these out here, the base and the inserts. Now, like I state in the auction description, I will sleeve everything that's not a base card, and then the hits will go into top loaders. And we will get everything shipped out on Monday morning. And like I say, we'll be back at it tomorrow as well. So, Deshaun Watson for the Texans. And we did get an Amon-Ra St. Brown. Lions. RPA 3-color out of 199 mirror pink. Freshman fabric. Sweet card. Amon-Ra St. Brown. I'm probably saying that wrong, but that's my best attempt at that. Don't really know who that is, as with most of these guys. So, nice hit there, Lions. And hey, looky! Here we go, Jaguars! There we go, Trevor Lawrence, number 1 pick coming at ya with the Trevor Lawrence graffiti. Nice hit there, Jaguars. Joey B. And a Kirk Cousins. Sweet justice. And I do case them after the video, just for the time purposes. I don't sit there and case them up during the video. See here, I might have to approve comments. I think Chris Rodriguez sending me a message about the Hawkeyes. Yeah, they played awesome today. The defense played awesome. The offense needs some work. Here we go with CeeDee Lamb on the boys. And here we go, Bengals. You got a Jamar Chase thicken. Got a Jamar Chase patch. New generation at a $2.99. I don't know if that's mirror white. But at a $2.99 Jamar Chase patch. Nice hit there, Bengals. That's doing the spice. We got the Zeke stars. Jonathan Taylor and Devin White. Kid Departed. All right. Who's next? Damian Harris on the Pats. And here we go. Derek Carr for the Raiders. Out of 25. Looks to be mirror gold. So that's a sweet hit there, Raiders. Derek Carr. 24 out of 25. That's sweet. I don't know if I've seen one of those yet. That's cool. We got a Russell Wilson seal of approval. Derek Carr base and Devontae Parker. Couple Derek Carrs. Gold. That's sweet. I wonder why they do gold out of 25 and like the green is out of 5. I think it's maybe it's emerald. I'm not sure. Anyways. All right. What are we gonna do next? I got a Jared Goff on the Lions and a Garrett Groshek. Rookie out of 299 for the Raiders. So Garrett Groshek, running back for the Raiders. Little filler action. Coming at you with the GOAT, Tom Brady. Stars. Got the Antonio Gibson and Baker Mayfield. Katy Perry. I do upload the video to YouTube as well, so if you don't like the slow pace, you can always check the video out on YouTube. And I do a review at the end of all the hits, so you can just scroll to the end. But otherwise, I pay close attention to the quality in general, so hopefully you appreciate that. We got the Brandon Cooks, Taysom Hill. Oh, look at this Tom Brady. Mirror pink, seal of approval, GOAT. Out of 199, it's numbered 145. Here's some Justice Bucks. Let's do the spice. 82 years old and still the GOAT. Stephon Diggs, Joe Mixon. Nice hit. Let's see what it is. We got a Drew Lock. Kirk Cousins on the Vikes. There you go, Jeremy. Numbered at a 299. We got a graffiti JK for the Ravens. Dalvin Cook for the Vikes and DJ Shark Jr. for the Jaguars. Get your bird. I do go with the cardshells.com notched design sleeves. So I usually like to excuse me, plug this real quick. I don't get paid or anything. I just got a case of them and I love them. They're the Easy Glide soft sleeve notch design. So they have a little notch out of the corner. It's the way to go. Know what I'm saying? So if you don't know, now you know. I've been doing cards like forever. I'm old. So when I first got a hold of those, I was all excited. So, you know, especially when you're sleeving up a bunch of cards. And they're a better quality, it seems like as well. We got the Ayuk second year for the Niners. Michael Thomas for the Saints. Patch card numbered at a 299. There you go, Saints. We did get the case hit out of the last break, and that was a Saints. Alvin Kamara, certified ground. So that was sweet. We got that yesterday. Aaron Rodgers, Dark Horses. Got that monochrome. There you go, Pack. DeAndre Hopkins and Jerusha Jacobs. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do next. Got 2 packs left in the first box. All right, we got Darius Slayton. Jonathan Ogden. Another Jonathan Ogden auto. Sweet. Mirror signatures, Jonathan Ogden. This one's out of 50. 49 out of 50. There we go, Ravens. Who was it? Who got the Ravens? Is that Ben? I'm trying to think. I think it is. Hold on, I'm going to look real quick. Ben, there he is. Ben's been getting some nice Ogden hits. So I believe it was last night, wasn't it? We got another Ogden auto. I think, wasn't it? Nice hit there, Ben. So that's some justice, racking up those Ravens. We got Stiff Arm Henry, seal of approval. Fans got a Tua Tagovailoa. Wrong Armor, 2nd year, and Chase Young coming at ya. Katy Perry. All right, last pack of box number 1. Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. And who is this? Tylan Wallace for the Ravens. Ravens are racking them up. Rookie out of 399. Numbered 135. Ben racking them up. Nice hit. A little filler action. We got a Christian McCaffrey Stars. Nick Chubb and Matt Ryan are at the base. Okay, so that there was box number 1 in the books. All right. A little wobble wobble. Chris Rodriguez profile picture is Trevor Lawrence. That's the true Jaguars fan right there. All right, let's see here. Move these a little bit. Okay, box number 2. I thought you knew. Let's jump on in. All right, what's it going to be this box? Last night we did pull the Mac Jones RPA, so that was gratifying. And the night before, or maybe, I don't know, on another one, we got the Kyle Pitts Redemption RPA. That was some sweet justice. And in the last case, we got the Justin Fields RPA. That was awesome. Set those back up here in a second. All right. But, you know, needless to say, big news in the trading card world is how the Fanatics has taken over. So, should be interesting, right? All right, pack 1 of box number 2. But, of course, Fanatics has deals with MLB, NFL, and NBA, and the Players Association. So there'll actually be cards with logos of all the teams and stuff. That'll be cool. I just wonder. What I think is going to happen is I think they're going to buy Panini or Topps. I think they might buy Panini and Topps myself. That's just my crazy opinion. Here we go with Aaron Donald, Dak Prescott, and a mirror pink Russell Wilson Dark Horses, 98 out of 199. There you go, Hawks. Nice hit. We got Aaron Rodgers and David Johnson. Base. All right. Chris, I think they buy both. You know what I mean? Because imagine, I bet Topps right now is at the cheap. Yeah, and then they get a grading company, right? I mean, they might. I don't know. Yeah, it does seem like they're just gonna straight take over, doesn't it? I didn't even think about the Beckett part too. Yeah, but they're talking about getting into sports betting, and they already dominate the clothing world. Julio Jones, Falcons, and we got a mirror blue Christian McCaffrey. That looks good. There you go, Panthers. Numbered out of 75. Numbered 68 out of 75. That's a sweet looking color combination there. Panthers. So nice hit. Got another GOAT. Seal of approval. Tom Brady. Mike Evans for the Bucs, and Patrick Mahomes II. Kitty Perder. Because you don't want to say junior. You want to say the second. I don't understand that. Maybe they don't have the same middle name? I don't know. Maybe you preferred the second over junior, I guess. I don't know. James Robinson for the Jaguars. And Mike Williams and the Chargers. What do we get? Patch card. Numbered 72 out of 99. There you go, Chargers. Got a Mike Williams memorabilia card. Kyler Murray Stars on the Cardinals. Stephon Diggs Bills. And Joe Mixon Bengals. I know, right? I agree. Topps is, I mean, I feel bad for him. Really. I mean, they have soccer cards. And what else do? They do soccer and like, is it UFC possibly? Oh, what is it? I know they have the Garbage Pail Kids. But yeah, they just don't have much going on anymore. Well, they must have not been good at basketball and football because they lost to Panini, you know. So I guess I don't know what all is involved in that, but just kind of sad to see Topps go away. Panini, you know, whatevs. But Kyler Murray, Cardinals. And what do we got here? It's purple. Number 242, Vikings. Amir Smith-Marset again, Jeremy. We got one of these last night. Is this an RPA? Jeremy, you got two of them. Man, representing Iowa Hawkeyes. This guy, obviously, like I just said, played for the Hawkeyes. Out of 349, I think the one last night was more rare. But nice hit there, Jeremy. So Amir Smith-Marset for the Vikes, representing Iowa Hawkeyes. Nice hit. I always like to collect the Hawkeyes that go pro. We got a DK Gold Team. Dalvin Cook and DJ Shark Jr. Katy Perry. That's some justice. Yeah. There we go, Jeremy. I don't know if Jeremy's on the broadcast or not, but yeah, right, Rick. The Hawkeyes whooped that ass. The Cyclones were babies. Like, the Cyclones, that was weak. How are they ranked number 9 in the country? They were weak. Anyways, I was all fired up during that game. We were, our defense is just the best. Our defense is that we've got to have the best ranked defense in the whole country. What do we have? Like 3-4 interceptions today? It was crazy. Keenan Allen, Chargers. What do we got here? Colts. Sam Ehlinger. There we go, Colts out of 299. I know the Colts like that rooker. Sam Ellinger. Nice hit. Little filler action. Cam Akers Graffiti. DeAndre Hopkins. Jarius Jacobs. A wobble wobble. Skip, skip. All right. Who's next? Mimi! Just in case anyone wondered about that. Mimi said your Coco. All right. Here we go with Jonnu Smith. Pats. Mirror Orange, Carson Wentz getting the start tomorrow. Out of 149, numbered 26. Got two Mirror Oranges back to back. We got another GOAT, Tom Brady. Another Tom Brady numbered card. 84 out of 149. Mirror Orange Stars. Tom Brady, nice hit. Michael Pittman Jr. And a Tom Brady base. Nice pack there. Katy Perry. GOAT. All right. Got my stack of base cards. Insert. All right, let's pull some heat. There we go with David Montgomery. Da Bears. Yes. Yes, Kyle. Yes, it is. All right, who we got next here? Number 208. It's teal. It looks to be Dolphins. Is this going to be a Waddle Waddle? What it is, what it is. Jalen Waddle. Boom! RPA! There we go! 3 colors. They got white on top, orange and teal. Turquoise, whatever they want to call that. Nice hit there, Fins. Nice. That's a nice patch. See, that's sweet. Numbered out of 149, Mirror Pink. So nice hit there for the Fins. Hey, will you nudge the dog if it's snoring again? We got the Aaron Rodgers Stars, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, and Josh Allen. Hey. It was loud.
Shut up.
All right, who's next? Oh, yeah. Getting some hits out of this case. Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Jalen Darden. This is the guy we got the RPA out of. TJ and I did. Out of our box. Numbered out of 249. Numbered 11 out of 249. This is Mirror... I want to say bronze. New Generation Bucks. Rookie. So nice hit there. Wide receiver for the Bucks. I don't believe I saw him in the game yesterday, so I was looking for him. Gold team, George Kittle, represent Iowa Hawkeyes. Miles Sanders. And Alvin Kamara. Katy Perry. All right. Let's keep it rolling. What's it going to be? We got the Robbie Anderson Panthers. Tyreek Hill Chiefs, numbered at a 299. There you go, Chiefs. Got a Mac Jones. Here we go, Pats. Represent Mac Jones, graffiti. Starting quarterback for the Pats. Tyreek Hill and DK. Coming to get you, Buda Baker. Nice to get you on the board there, Pats. We did pull the Mac Jones RPA last night, though. That felt fantastic. All right. We got the Stiff Arm Henry for the Titans. And a mirror bronze Nick Bolton for the Chiefs. Rookie, numbered at a 249. There you go, Chiefs. Got a little filler action. Dark Horses, Stephon Diggs, Bills. Cover boy, Danny Jones. And JK, Kitty Bird. All right, so that's box 2. I thought you knew. So let's get out that box number 3. And we'll call it a wrap. Right. Let's see what we're going to do this time. Let's do the spice. Perforations. Steelers Inc., Kyle. All right. I'm going to do my best. TJ and I have a TJ Watt auto, if you're interested in that. We pulled that out of our box. I want to say they're like $75, something like that, on eBay. But I don't know. We were thinking about keeping it as well, because that's my son's name, TJ. So... Here we go. Got a Brandon Cooks. Taysom Hill. Mirror Pink Alvin Kamara. I want to say we already got one of these. Oh, no, the Russell Wilson. So Mirror Pink Alvin Kamara, numbered at a 199. Mirror Pink Dark Horses. That stand doesn't agree with me very well. They like to flop off. Calvin Ridley and Russell Wilson. There the base. We have seen some inconsistencies with Panini. In the last case, we opened a box that had 2 RPAs. This case, we opened a pack that only had 4 cards. But, I mean, otherwise, everything's been as it should. We got a Drew Lock, Broncos. And Packers. You got a Devontae Adams, numbered at a 249, mirror bronze. There you go, Pack. Dow Bears got a gold team, Roquan Smith. Jalen Rigger. T. Higgins. Kitty Purdy. All right. Got a little spice in here. Got an Ayuk second year and Michael Thomas again. Back-to-back Michael Thomas patches. This one's a different color patch, I believe, though, but it's numbered out of 299. There you go, Saints. Michael Thomas memorabilia card. And back-to-back hits. We did get a Joey B second year graffiti. It's collectible. Justin Jefferson for Jeremy's collection. And Carson Wentz. We've pulled quite a few JJs. Now that he's a base card, he comes out quite frequently. But of course, last year being a rookie, he was elusive. But that's, my son and I collect JJs. We've got probably like, I don't know, 75 of those bad boys. Ish. Different ones, of course. We try to get rid of all our dupes, but we do accumulate some dupes. All right. Who's next? Darius Slayton. James White for the Patriots. Backwards card. It's the auto. Mirror signatures. James White for the Pats. There you go, Pats. Can't say we never gave you nothing. Auto of James White. There you go. Dark Horses. Patrick Mahomes II. Chiefs. Get that monochrome. Love those cards. Gronk and Darren Waller. Katy Perry. All right. It's got Lamar Jackson to start us off and Davis Mills for the Texans. Quarterback rookie, numbered out of 399. Davis Mills out of Stanford. Interesting. Little filler. We got another Lamar Jackson seal of approval. Devin Singletary and Terry McLaurin. Who's next? Devontae Adams. And we got a mirror orange, Chris Evans, out of 149. TJ for the Bengals. TJ pulled the 1 of 1 of this guy out of the last case. So that was cool. Tyreek Hill stars. OBJ. And Travis Kelce. Katy Perry. All right. Let's see what we're going to do. Savage. Deshaun Watson. And we got De'Ami Brown, a Washington. Rookie patch auto. There you go, Washington. I want to see what this guy does. Numbered out of 249. One color patch. Wide receiver. Nice hit there, Washington. So that's our RPA. Aaron Rodgers, gold team. Tyler Lockett and Saquon. All right, 3 packs to go. CD Lamb coming at you. We got a Kadarius Toney. Rookie for the Giants. Numbered out of 299. You got a new generation memorabilia card. Nice hit there, Giants. Wide receiver. that my table shaking or my arm? It's probably my arm. So nice hit there for the Giants. Got a J.K. Graffiti, Marlon Humphrey, and Aaron Jones. Katy Perry. All right. 2 packs to go. Don't you know? Let's do that. Damian Harris. Myles Gaskin, numbered out of 299 for the fans. Mirror bronze, probably. Aaron Rodgers, Derek Horses. Michael Pittman Jr. And Tom Brady, the GOAT. Racking up some Bradys this evening. Got a couple few. All right, last pack of the break. Just want to take a brief moment to remind everybody the finale of Certified will be tomorrow. This will be the final break of case number 2. And I'm having a hard time finding another case, so getting pretty scarce, kids. So jump on in tomorrow, about the same time tomorrow night. Check the store, Generational Breaks. My name's Tommy Ears, by the way. You guys can always bust me a message and stuff. Just click on my name on the Facebook group page. Last pack of the break. Best of luck. Last pack mojo. Let's get it. We did get the Jared Goff. And we got the Kelvin Joseph. Rookie for the Cowboys. Numbered out of 299. Mirror silver, I want to say. I don't know. Mirror white? I mean, I don't know what the... I don't know. I don't know how to tell. We got the filler. Derrick Henry, seal of approval. Clyde Edwards-Helaire and Josh Allen. Katy Perry. All right, so give me a moment here, guys. I'll do a review of the hits. And then I'll upload this video to YouTube. I'll get all this packed up and stuff. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. These will ship out on Monday morning and stuff. So let me do a review of the non-patch and autos first. These will be just the numbered cards. We got a Myles Gaskin, Chris Evans, Devontae Adams, Mac Jones, Sam Ehlinger, Tylan Wallace, Garrett Kroschak, Elijah Vera Tucker, the GOAT, Russell Wilson, the GOAT, Derek Carr, Kelvin Joseph, Davis Mills, Alvin Kamara, Nick Bolton, Tyreek Hill, Carson Wentz, Christian McCaffrey, Kirk Cousins, and Trevor Lawrence. Now, the Trevor Lawrence and Mac Jones were not numbered, but they'll get cased. So that was those. Now let's do a review of the patches and autos. And I like to do the verticals and then the horizontals. You know what I'm saying? Organized. All right, Cook. It looks like they're going for about, I don't know, 7,000-ish, 7,500. So that's the only one that I can find, though, and that's kind of outrageous, so not really interested in that. But yeah, I will. Yeah, these cards are cool. You can get boxes. I think boxes are on eBay for like $4.50, something like that. So if you just want a single box. But let's do the review here of the autos and patches. We did get a James White auto, Michael Thomas patch, Mike Williams patch, Jonathan Ogden auto, and another Michael Thomas patch. So we got 2 Michael Thomas patches, both black patches. Thought they were different, but both numbered out of 299. 142 and 95. So at least they're not sequential, but what's up with that, right? One patch is kind of a napkin patch, and one has the holes. Interesting. Not that that matters, but... All right, and now we'll do the horizontal patches and RPAs. We do have the Kadarius Toney patch, memorabilia numbered out of 299. Dyami Brown RPA, numbered out of 249. We got the Jalen Darden memorabilia out of 249. Jalen Waddle RPA, get you some, out of 149. I want to say that's the hit of the break. Amir Smith-Marset as well. So nice hit for Jeremy with the RPA. Here, let's just put it right here. Then we did get the memorabilia of Jamar Chase out of 299. That's sweet for the Bengals. And another RPA. So we got 4 RPAs. That's cool. I guess I wasn't even keeping track. We're only supposed to get 3. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Another RPA. So we got 4 RPAs. Ha! That's cool, right? What's up now? So you're welcome, kids. That's always nice when Panini gives it to us this way instead of in the reverse, right? But I think sometimes one of these is considered the auto, you know, or the patch, you know, something like that. But whatever, we'll take it, right? Cool. Well, I'll go ahead and get this video uploaded to YouTube, guys, and I will be back at it tomorrow. So just check the store. And other than that, thank you all very much, and we'll see you tomorrow. See ya!